Yeah, one thing also I always tell content creators is don't expect everyone to love your work. I actually understand, Michael. If someone tells me, see,
I hate you.
I don't like, yeah,
I hate this girl.
I hate this girl. I don't like her content. I understand it. That is very okay. Because what I
also have
even me, I have videos I don't like. I have videos I don't like. Yes, so it's very normal.
We also have content creators that we don't like.
No, not that one. Actually, me, I don't hate content creators, but I don't like their videos. The videos that they create. I don't hate them. I don't like what they create. Yeah, so it's very normal. It's very normal for you to not like what I do. I will understand that from in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. I will understand it. Any time of the day, I will understand that. If you tell me I don't like your content, because you're not supposed to like everyone's. Yeah, because my content is based on my preferences are different. If you don't like Michael Dero's content, we shall understand.